In this video, I'll show you how to align your text to the left, center, or right in LibreOffice Writer. It's one of the most basic formatting tools, but knowing where it lives saves a lot of time. First, click and drag to select the text you want to align. You can also press Ctrl A to select everything if you want to change the alignment for the whole document. Next, look at the toolbar at the top. You'll see three icons: Align Left, Center, and Align Right. Click one, and your text instantly shifts to that position. If you like shortcuts, here are three you'll love: Ctrl L for left, Ctrl E for center, and Ctrl R for right alignment. Super quick, super easy. You can also fine-tune alignment by going to Format, Paragraph, Alignment. That's useful if you're setting up specific formatting for headings or templates. And that's how you align text in LibreOffice Writer. Like and subscribe for more quick LibreOffice tips. Plenty more on the way.